How many actual projects should you have on your portfolio?
I had 3 projects on my portfolio.
Yeah, I think I had 3 too.
Do y'all remember what type of projects they were?
I had one that was like a HTML, CSS project just to showcase some designs. I had another one that was like, had CRUD functionality, had some API code changes in there. And then the last one was a front end and back end application. So it's a full stack application to showcase that I knew Node.js, Express, React. I forgot the last one. But I wanted to showcase different tech stacks that I learned in my bootcamp. So I had those 3 different projects.
Nice. I think my projects were the same too. I had like a HTML, CSS one, and then I had one where I worked on a team to build something for a nonprofit at the bootcamp I went to. So that was a full stack app, and so that was there. And then I built my own personal full stack app. It was a budgeting application, and I had that one there as well.
That sounds amazing.
How about you, Samantha?
I went to a boot camp, so we had projects that were set aside for us. Like the capstone project was one. We weren't able to get it live because we were trying to use AWS and it was a hot mess, but I was able to take like maybe some screenshots of the project and I put that online. That shouldn't stop you if you can't deploy it, but there's a lot of cool ways to deploy projects now. And I definitely did like a Connect 4 project that was like very algorithmically hard. So that another one that I showcase.
I love that you mentioned that you took screenshots of your projects. So like if you can't figure out how to deploy your project, like if the YouTube tutorials aren't making sense to you, don't let that stop you. Take screenshots like what Samantha did and then just have those screenshots linked to your GitHub repo and just make sure that the README is well documented. I think that's a great way to do it as well.